Let's offer our respect to Patanjali Maharshi. I'll chant. You can repeat after me. Yogena chittasya
योगेन चित्तस्य
padena vacham
पदेन वाचा
malam sharirasya cha
मलं शरीरस्य च
vaidyakena
वैद्यकेन
yopakarottamam
योपाकरोतं
pravaram
प्रवरं
muninam
मुनीनां
patanjalim
पतञ्जलिं
anjalim
प्राञ्जलिं
pranatosmi nityam.
प्रणतोऽस्मि नित्यम्.
The meaning of this shloka is we are offering our respects to Patanjali Maharshi, who was born much before Christ was born. He contributed to 3 fields. He developed the science of yoga. With the science of yoga, he removed the impurities of the mind. Yogena chittasya. Chitta means mind. Through the science of yoga, he removed the impurities of the mind. Not only that, padena vacham, through development of Sanskrit grammar, Vyakarana, he refined the language. So our speech became purified because of development of grammar. One of the most ancient system of grammar was developed by Patanjali. Malam sharirasya cha vaidyakena. He developed the science of Ayurveda to remove the impurities of the body. One who has done such great contribution to the human society, removing the impurities of the mind, removing the impurities of speech, and removing the impurities of body, we offer our deep respect to Patanjali Maharshi. So this is the prayer. I was very much benefited by teaching of yoga at a very young age. I learned yoga in Patanjali School of Yoga with one of the disciples of Malladi Halli Swamiji. Since for many years in my childhood, I practiced yoga under the guidance of my yoga guru, Sri Shanai. So that helped me a lot in purifying my mind, in developing good health, and developing the concentration and focus in life. Yoga is the science of development of concentration called samadhi. Yoga involves harmonizing the body, mind, and energy. If you practice yoga, no doubt health will improve. It helps a lot in improving the health. But yoga is not just about health. Yoga is harnessing your pranic energy, life force. Yoga is purifying your mind, chitta vritti, and developing concentration. Everybody benefits from yoga, right from the child all the way to senior citizens will get benefit of yoga. Yoga is not just a science of body and mind. It is the science of the spirit, Atma. Yoga means union. Union of Jivatma with Paramatma. The science of uniting with God. In that sense, yoga is the holistic science. Yoga means to join Jivatma with Paramatma. Today, we have a great opportunity to do service to the science of yoga. This is my way of offering my respect to my guru, yoga guru, Sri Shanai, who spent many years teaching yoga to me and many more people. So what I learned, we have to pass it on. That's what is showing respect to Guru. Yoga involves, it's called Ashtanga Yoga. Ashtanga means 8 steps. What are the 8 steps of yoga? Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana, Samadhi. The purpose of yoga is to develop Samadhi. Samadhi means complete absorption of the mind, focus of the mind. So for that, the mind has to be purified. Mind has to be purified through disciplines of Yama and Niyama. Asana is a body posture. Pranayama is breathing practice. Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama. Pratyahara is mind has to be focused inwards. Dharana is concentration. Dhyana is meditation. Samadhi is absorption.